The i3 is completely different. With this pure electric vehicle, BMW dares the complete reinvention of automotive engineering. The motto, sustainability from A to Z. In concrete terms, innovative materials, produced with regenerative energy, driven by electric motor. The revolution in automotive engineering already begins with the material of the i3. No more sheet steel but carbon fiber. That changes car production fundamentally. During the final assembly in Leipzig, there is no more welding but gluing. 100% of the electricity needed for the production comes from regenerative energies. 4 wind turbines supply electricity to the BMW plant. Every year this saves 21,000 tons of the climate killer CO2. The engineers were even concerned about the production of the material. The energy-intensive carbon fiber production in the western USA is covered by hydropower. 2 massive dams provide clean energy here. Sustainability all along the line. Resource saving and renewable raw materials are deliberately chosen for the interior of the i3. The interior designers therefore work with raw materials such as textile fibers, eucalyptus wood, wool, recycled granulate and plant fibers.
With natural fiber, we simply leave materials out, compared to other components or to other vehicles. This means that we also reduce weight, as the topic of lightweight construction is very important. With natural fiber, we are able to achieve weight reductions of 30% compared to other materials used in similar areas.
One of those alternative materials is kenaf fiber. It is obtained from the kenaf plant, which is one of the most important CO2 killers in flora. 1 ton of the plant absorbs 1.5 tons of CO2. In the i3, the plant is now used visibly for the first time and no longer hidden under plastic cladding. BMW works with eco-friendly tannins for the leather interior. Natural olive leaves, which occur as a waste product during harvest, are used for the tanning process. Sustainable production, sustainability through electric drive, and then? At the end of their life cycle, vehicles are recycled, and so is the i3.
Of course, we need to establish an entire process chain. Recycling is a component and in terms of sustainability is very significant. With CFRP we have clippings, just as in the processing of steel in sheet metal monocoque construction. And we certainly want to add these clippings to the process chain again. The clippings are shredded, processed into new fibers so new components can be manufactured. For example, the roof of the i3 and also of the i8 is made of recycled carbon.
Not only the carbon fiber is recycled and processed, even the i3 battery is reused. In 2013, BMW started the project Second Life Batteries in cooperation with the energy group Vattenfall to reuse used i3 batteries as a power storage. The strategy: the batteries are used for temporary storage, including the buffering of fast charging stations. This way, the used batteries reduce load on the entire power grid.
These 2 batteries here from the BMW i3 temporarily store electricity generated by the photovoltaic system on the roof. We'll need this at some point to supply the office building from the adjacent health and power plant with electricity. The office building may need this electricity at times when solar electricity production is not possible, and that's why we need temporary storage. We can also feed the electricity stored here into the public grid.
And BMW continues searching for environmentally conscious solutions to show that a sustainable automotive industry is possible.
Above all, the manufacturing process shows that production can be very sustainable. I think it will be a slow transition, but it will be a definite transition.
One thing is already certain. With its innovative and complex sustainability concept, BMW has done important pioneering work in the global automotive industry. The revolution in automotive engineering has begun.